guys, welcome back to Supercar Kingdom. Today I'm doing a little fix. Well, I'm going to try and fix something. Basically, ever since I bought the car, the centre console, it's all plastic and it creaks and it is the most annoying sound ever. So today I'm going to try and get rid of it by taking it apart, wrapping the bits that connect. So it's basically plastic rubbing on plastic, so it just makes a horrible noise. So I'm going to wrap the pieces that are connecting the two pieces of plastic in felt tape. On forums, that's what I've read that can solve the issue. So I'm really hoping it's going to work because it's driving me insane. So I'd really like for this to work out. But yeah, I'm going to do like a little video showing you how to do it. I've not done it before. I'm just going by a forum thing, so I'm going to give it a go and enjoy. So firstly, we've got to take this piece out of the back of the console. We've got to take this bit off, so that we can get to this bit, to take this bit out and then that bit. So I'm just going to take this bit out. So you clip that back and this should slot out, because it's like an ashtray kind of thing. Slot that out. So you've taken the ashtray bit out and then you want to click off the sides of the ashtray, like how I'm very badly showing you here. And that should click off like so. So you've got this circle thing, put that into a safe place with the rest of your bits and do it to the other side if you can. The other one was ridiculously easy and now this one's ridiculously hard. So now you have the two sides of the thing off. As you can see the mechanism each side. So next the best way to do this is put the seats forward so you've got as much space. And I've just found a Mento. So now you should be able to see here two little clips which you have to clip. Just get a screwdriver and ease them off the clips like so. That's one side, and then repeat it for the other side. So now the piece there will come off, put that in a safe place. Right, so I'm gonna unscrew these screws and then try take it off. I think that's the way to do it. I'm not totally sure. It says to do it another way, but I can't figure out how. So I'm just gonna undo the screws and see what happens. Now that I've undone these screws, the whole piece should lift up. You have to try and bring your handbrake up as far as it possibly can go. And this piece should slot up and slide out somehow. And also another thing to add is this underneath here, this little clip will be clipped in for your petrol pump. So you need to make sure you unclip that before you yank it off. Or don't yank it off, just clip it out. So yes, this piece is now out, as you can see. Okay, so next up we're going to remove this ashtray in here. And the easiest way to do this, it's not necessary, but if you pull this piece of trim off, like so, pull this back and this piece should slot out, like so. Then there's a little screw down there, which we're just about to undo. So now the screw's out, it should just sort of push backwards a little bit and pull out. Okay, so now we've got the little ashtray out, what you want to do is put it to a place where you can see it without pulling on it. And there's this little white clip holding it together here. You want to clip that off and then remove the actual cigarette lighter, which I'll just do now. So I've removed it and it's literally just, I'll just show you, it's literally just a clip which you just unclip from the ashtray. So that's now removed. You see this little circle here, you've got to pop the little piece of plastic out and unscrew the nut inside, so I'm just going to do that. And as you can see, well you probably can't see, there is a screw in there which I'm just about to undo. This isn't very easy to unscrew and film, but yeah, I'm doing my best. A little bit more. So there's the screw out. I think there's one on the other side of the car, so I'm just going to do that. So both screws are now out. Okay, so I've now undone the bolt, the little torque screws at the back. Now I think I'm going to find my screwdriver and unclip pull it up out of the way. Then this, with a bit of wiggle, this should just clip out or slide out. So I'm just going to do that now. Right, so now as you can see, I've taken the centre console out. I didn't actually have to undo these nuts. It's just this bar here. If you clip it out one side, it allows you just to slide it out, which is nice and easy. This is probably going to need a bit of a clean up, so I'm going to do that. But then these pieces here, I'm going to wrap in felt tape. Yeah, I bought 3 meters of it for about £3. It's nothing expensive, but I'm hoping that should stop creaking, so I'm going to give that a go. It looks like someone's actually already tried to do this here, but obviously it hasn't worked to a great deal, so yeah, I'm going to give that a go now. Okay, so as you can see, I've now wrapped it in felt tape completely, if it will focus, as much as I could, so all the bits of plastic all wrapped in this felt tape. So I'm hoping that this is going to stop the creaking, so I'm going to go fit it all back in and take it for a drive.